In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create passive income with Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the exciting world of Printful and how you can leverage it for generating some passive income. The great thing about Printful is that it's designed to take the heavy lifting out of your online business, allowing you to focus on what you love, be it designing or promoting your products. So, first things first, you need to open Printful and sign in. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry, it only takes a couple of minutes. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll see a dashboard that's buzzing with potential. Now, the next step involves connecting your online store. Printful is compatible with many platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, so whatever your preference, linking it is a breeze. Just navigate to the Stores section on the dashboard, click to connect your online store, and follow the prompts. Once you've got that set up, head over to the Product Template section. This is your creative playground where the magic begins. Click on Create Product. You'll be amazed at the variety of items you can produce. Whether you want to design a trendy t-shirt or a stylish tote bag, the options are practically endless. Choose a product that aligns with your style or market demand. Now comes one of the fun parts. You can upload your designs. Click on the Design Maker feature to upload your artwork. Take your time here, as this is where your creativity shines. Printful allows you to customize various aspects of your design, from placement to size. Once your design is uploaded, it's time to choose your product colors and sizes. Think about your target audience when making these selections. A simple black t-shirt could appeal to a wide audience, while a vibrant colored tote bag might attract someone looking to add a pop of color to their outfit. Align your choices with what you believe will draw in your customers. After you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to save it as a product template. This action makes it incredibly easy to reuse your design in the future, allowing you to streamline your workflow. The convenience doesn't stop there. Now you can add the product to your connected store. As you add your product, make sure to fill in a catchy product title and a compelling description. This is your chance to sell your product even before someone decides to click Buy. Share the story behind the design, highlight its features, and encourage customers to envision it in their lives. Don't forget to select your mockups. Printful offers diverse mockup options to showcase your design in a real-world setting. You can show how it looks on a person or on a simple flat lay. Just a tip. Great visuals can significantly boost sales, so choose your mockups wisely. Now, it's time for one of the most important steps. Set your retail price. Make sure you're aware of the expected profit margin here too. Printful provides a clear breakdown of costs, so you'll know how much of a profit you'll make for each sale you generate. Once you've finalized everything, don't forget to hit that Publish button to showcase your product in your store. Now that your product is live, the real fun begins. Start promoting your products, share them through your store, utilize your social media accounts, or even consider running ads. The more visibility your products get, the higher the chances you have of making sales. And the best part is, when customers place orders, Printful takes care of all the production and fulfillment for you. As you settle into this venture, don't hesitate to continue adding and improving your product range. Consider seasonal trends, customer feedback, and your evolving personal style. Keep the momentum going and watch as your passive income grows over time. That's it. With Printful, creating passive income can be an enjoyable and fulfilling endeavor. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these steps help you on your journey. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks. Happy creating!